2-tier buttercream cake with fresh flowers and a puppy dog. Hello and welcome. I'm your host Yvette from Enchanted Cakes by Yvette. Whether you're new to caking or been in business for a while, we're here to share all our insider tips to make your caking journey that little bit easier. Now before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button and follow along with us. Today we're going to walk you through how to create a 2-tier rustic style cake. We are using the Florals system for our internal structure of our 2-tier cake. Firstly, attach the center dowel support to your cake board by removing the sticker backing and press it onto the board. Next, measure out the height of your center dowel and cut it down as necessary and secure the center pole into the base plate. As you can see, we have pre-drilled a center hole in our cake, which makes it a lot easier to place it over the center pole and into place, securing it with some ganache underneath. As we are having a rustic style buttercream finish, we cover our cake that has already been crumb coated in ganache in our signature buttercream. We smooth the surface of the buttercream with our heated scraper. And then run our offset spatula around the cake. We always use our signature buttercream recipe, which is available for purchase on our website. Just go to our Instagram page and comment Buttercream and we shall DM the link straight to you. To support the top tier, we're using the dowel supports from Florals. Cut these to size and press them into your cake. Next, we slide our top tier onto the center pole and secure it with some more ganache to the base cake. To neaten up the middle edge, we pipe a small amount of buttercream around the edge of the top tier and then smooth it over to remove the excess buttercream. Once we have prepped our florals with food-safe wires and tape, we place them into our cake with the little puppy dog figurine and our cake is ready for display. The Florals system is a great time saver for the internal structure of your cake, as it does not require drilling through your cake board. All of its components can be purchased from Caker's Warehouse, and you can save 10% by using our discount code Enchanted10 at checkout. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope you've learned something new and enjoyed our tutorial. Remember to hit that subscribe button so you never miss our episodes. See you next time and happy caking!